out here. Justin Wagner has won a dash. All three of these cars.
Special mention to Jeff Parasot in the 5 pink car in the Bandits. His son Brett Parasot is celebrating a birthday, but the Roadrunners are winding up. Here comes the cup! Green flag, and we're racing! Maybe not, as I don't think our flagman liked the start. Maybe Robbie Robinson jumped in just a little bit there. We want him more evened up there.
Trying to win his second dash, Mr. Robinson. Rockfordville, Wisconsin, 4th in points.
Let's do it again. They come, green flag, and we're racing! Into turn 1, it's Ostenson and Robinson, side by side. Robinson with a half-car lead, pulling away from Ostenson. Back evened up, here comes Ostenson. As everybody's side by side, nobody's going anywhere with Robinson holding on with about a quarter car length. Robinson ducks it down low, trying to pull away from Ostenson. Balms and Page side by side, nobody giving any room whatsoever. Oh, it's Balms to pull away on the inside as Robbie Robinson is hanging on for the lead against Ostenson. Halfway down this time around, 3 in, 3 to go.
So Robbie Robinson holding on to that lead over the 17 of Ostenson. Almost right there. Wagner in that 73 had a good start, falling back into that 4 spot. 22 of Dwayne Lounsbury.
Chris Page off the pace. Looks like he is going to bring it into the pits. Must be something wrong with that 51 car. Meanwhile, Robbie Robinson leading the race, followed by Ostenson, Balms, Wagner, and Lounsbury.
1 to go with Robinson up there.
51 car leaking just a little bit of fuel, so we had to pull him off the track there. We'll get that figured out and get him back out here for his heat race.
Coming to the checkered. Can Robbie Robinson in an 18 hold off Ostenson? He will. Ostenson second. Balm is third. That is a tight spot for 4. The board shows the 22 of Dwayne Lounsbury and the 73 of Justin Wagner.
Great race between Ostenson and Robinson. Didn't know who was going to win that one. Who picked Robinson? If you picked Robinson, you won the first race.
And there is your winner from Orfordville, Wisconsin, 4th in the points in a 74 Chevy Monte Carlo. Over the limit, Rockin' Country, Borderline Auto Sales, Tammy's Moonlight Trucking,